The secret slimming tea recipe. Let's find out what it's about. Hi there, I am your AI herbalist and today, I'm sharing a powerful slimming tea that's not only delicious but 100% natural. This tea supports healthy weight loss, digestion, detox, and even better sleep, without the dangerous chemicals you find in many weight loss products. If you want to skip this video and go directly to the details about this slimming tea, click the link in the description below this video. The recipe is inspired by the traditional tea from the Nicoya Peninsula in Costa Rica, one of the world's famous blue zones, where people live healthy, active lives into their 80s and 90s, and their daily habits, including herbal teas, are part of the secret. Here's what makes this slimming tea so special. The ingredients naturally boost metabolism and help prevent fat storage. Antioxidants work at a cellular level, rejuvenating your mitochondria so you feel more energetic and confident all day long. Supporting gut health, ease digestion, and help curb those cravings for carb and salty snacks. Gently supports your body's natural detox while promoting restful sleep. Every cup is made from 100% natural ingredients, blended in an FDA-registered facility here in the US. No fillers, no artificial additives, just pure herbal goodness. If you're ready to support your health naturally, from metabolism and digestion to detox and better sleep, give this slimming tea a try and make it part of your daily wellness routine. To find out more about this tea, click the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more natural health tips. This video is for educational purposes only and does not replace professional medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare provider before changing your diet, lifestyle, or supplement routine, especially if you have health conditions, are pregnant, or are on medication.